Hello everyone and welcome back to Server Factory. Today I'm excited to take a look at the new Supermicro AS-1015A-MT server. It's a great option for small and large businesses alike looking for a high-performing, versatile system that can be utilised for a number of applications. The AS-1015A-MT is a compact server that packs a lot of punch. Its variety of features make it extremely adaptable for a wide array of use cases, including web or other hosting applications, edge computing when accompanied with a GPU, or intensive graphic processing, all within a short-depth 1U chassis. This system is powered by AMD's latest Ryzen 7000 series processors, offering up to 16 cores and 32 threads. We benchmarked this system, featuring a 7950X3D against alternative CPUs, and you can see from the screenshot above just how dominant it is, sitting comfortably in the top percentage of benchmarks. Supporting up to 128GB of ECC or non-ECC DDR5 memory, this solution can handle even the most memory-intensive workloads. DDR5 memory offers up to 50% faster performance than DDR4. It features a 3.5-inch SATA drive bay, or up to 4 2.5-inch drive bays, plus 2 NVMe M.2 slots, meaning that you can have plenty of storage for your data. Other features include IPMI 2.0 with KVM for remote management and 2 1GB Ethernet ports for network access. Compared to most servers with the same performance, it's a relatively low power system at 500 watts, certified at Platinum-level power efficiency. Overall, the Supermicro AS-1015A-MT is a great server, designed for all businesses to get the most out of a compact system. Please contact us if you want to learn more, and our team will be happy to assist. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.